Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C63 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here like that, and here we've got the recents. All you have to do is to simply tap on clear all. Now we just got back, so let's open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent tasks, which means that we just successfully closed all apps running in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.